In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth text animation in After Effects, step by step. Step 1. Add your text. Start by selecting the Type tool. Click anywhere on the composition and type your text. Choose your font, size, and align it the way you want. Step 2. Add animation properties. Now open your text layer by clicking the little arrow. Click Animate, then select Position. Click Add and choose Opacity. We're now animating both position and opacity at the same time. Set the position Y to 100. That will push the text down. Set opacity to 0%, so it starts invisible. Step 3. Animate with keyframes. Open Range Selector 1. Click the stopwatch next to Offset to create your first keyframe. Set it to -100%. Now move forward about 1 second in the timeline. Change the offset to 100%. This creates a smooth in and out animation. Step 4. Refine with easing and motion blur. Expand the advanced settings. Change shape to ramp up. Set ease high to 25% and ease low to 100%. This makes the animation feel more natural and soft. Activate motion blur on the layer and make sure motion blur is enabled in the timeline too. And that's it. You now have a clean, professional text animation, smooth and elegant. Perfect for intros, titles, or lower thirds. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.